Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Yeti Network. I'm your host, Spera Makeleni. Today, I'm with Fumani Mtombeni, Tumani Mtomboro. As you said.
Things will start falling.
Fumani Mtombo.
Things will start falling.
At the back, our cameraman, it's Pima Tswani.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. For me, without wasting people's data, because of data is expensive these days,
And petrol.
please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos, guys.
Yeah.
It helps with the algorithm feature so that it can reach more people. Regarding Kevin Msimango,
Yeah.
we've seen him on socials.
Yes.
He has been saying thank you to Kaizer Chiefs and whatsoever
Yeah.
for the which he was part of Kaizer Chiefs and everything.
Yeah.
Was saying thank you. So he went to Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
So rumors says that him and Faiz Abraham, there's a possibility that it might be that exchange because of, remember they've signed Langelihle Phili. So as Langelihle Phili is here, they were going to swap like two players to go to Stellenbosch, another 2 players to come to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
So if Du Preez went that side and Kevin Msimang also went that side, it means there's a possibility that Faiz Abraham might be a Chiefs. So what are your thoughts regarding Kevin Msimang going to?
Well, another good player that represented us well when he got the opportunity.
Yeah, true.
But then we must also say that we are bleeding. When you defender that is experience that we are letting go of, you understand. But then nonetheless, we will commemorate and thank all your achievements that you've done in Kaizer Chiefs. So unfortunately that he also had an injury spell Magagu Kaizer Chiefs. I was to his fullest potential.
True.
Not knowing what the intensity gym or Revele, but then from buying him from TS Galaxy, I thought we were bringing in leadership for the future.
Yeah, definitely.
So, but then nonetheless, all the best to Mr. Msimango. We really appreciate you, Mr. Msimango. Thank you for everything that you have done for us. Yeah. You can be a practical side if you want. Yeah, I think that's about it I can say about it. Now,
Guy, he was a key player, but due to injuries, it becomes a bit of a problem because of when you don't play, we tend to forget about you most of the time because of your position can be replaced very well, and we forget about you. So hopefully that he's okay regarding my injury and whatsoever. And personally, me, I can't wait for Faiz to come because of Faiz is also very young. So Kaizer Chiefs, it's buying like young players because of last time they was no Bohloko is also a striker.
Yes.
So Kaizer Chiefs is an 18-year-old. So meaning Kaizer Chiefs, it buys young boys. So I think the Kaizer Chiefs right now, I think it has seen their mistakes, and it is trying by the odds mean by their level best for money just to make sure which they want to win the league this time around because of I think it did not sit well with them seeing Pirates winning the league and stuff like that. So I think they are now trying to adjust. They're trying to face that uncomforting layer.
It's about them time.
Yeah.
It's about that time. They do it. You understand?
Yeah.
But nonetheless, I believe it's over corner replacement.
Yeah, it has to. Because of if Faiz, because of I think Faiz is playing the very same position
Yeah.
as Locos. If I'm not mistaken, people can correct me.
Yeah.
If not mistaken, people can correct me. Or Mapuana, you want to add something regarding?
Faiz.
Yeah, but Faiz.
No, Faiz is a young prospect. He has good future ahead of him.
Yeah.
He was playing. We spoke about his profile in the
Yeah.
other video.
Yeah, we
yesterday.
did.
We spoke about his profile. He's a boy that comes with experience. Although he's young, he can score. But I'm just a little bit disappointed that we lost a big fish
Yeah.
for an end.
Hey, baby.
Ra hleketse ke tlhapi mathisa thuswane silahlekelwe yinhlanzi enkulu sigijimisa ini
Mama-
so Mabaso is gone shy yakhe indaba they've signed him in the Botella Pro League, so I'm saying that Faiz is a good player, but we needed a player of experience who is going to come in now and do the job for you now. Sundowns won the second star now. Pirates won the league now.
now.
So we also needed to win.
Now, man.
Thank you, Fuman.
Needed
You are not
goals.
participating. Let's go.
We needed goals when?
Now.
Thank
Thank you.
Yeah, man, regarding Tshegofatso Mabasa, Tshegofatso Mabasa has already, there's a team that bought him. It's what? What's the name? I forgot.
It's the Botella Pro League.
Yeah.
Botella Pro League.
Yeah, man, there's a team he signed with that Lokuzalia. What are your thoughts? Because of Chiefs was supposed to buy that boy because of there were rumors like from last year.
we-
Signed him because of he was a free agent.
Yeah, he was a free agent, and as for agents, the team did not see him fit for as you said, they were signing young players. I think maybe they saw that it's not this. I won't keep up with their plans. Maybe not with their football, but then their plans.
There's a middle fielder that they bought, Lo Adolf. Adolf is like 28,
It's no problem.
27.
But then
So he's almost the same age as Tshegofatso. Tshegofatso is 28, right?
28, 29.
Yeah.
Yeah.
28 if he's old.
Yeah.
it's not a matter of age,
not even
but
age.
then I mean, it's a matter of which does it complement the style that they want to progress with in the future.
Kaizer Chiefs wants goals.
Yeah, I know they
he's
want
a goal
goals.
scorer, one of the best.
I know they want goals, but then unfortunately, he was not in their plans.
Yeah,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
I understand.
Why wasn't he in their plans, but other free agents?
Other free agents are.
Sometimes I'm-
In fact, we didn't even need this goalkeeper, but he
Don't forget one thing, Wafethu, Uguti. Sometimes, when you are playing for the rival, sometimes Bosanukbana that personal backlog. No, I rather not. I
Are you
rather
talking
look
about
for
the player?
another team, maybe.
lento le iphele ngesikhathi sabo
I know, but then-
abo Elman Legs of Thunder Jerry Skosana lento le ayisekho leyo.
I
These
know.
guys, they are friends.
I know they are friends, but then angithi kunakubana lento leyo ukuthi maybe I don't know.
My guy,
come on.
This guy was unemployed.
Okay.
You are working for in the Woolworths. You're unemployed. Your contract is terminated. Edgar Siakfun, you want to tell me that day just because I was working for a different ticket, I can't go to Edgar's.
it's different when it comes to like when
To
you're working
soccer,
for
man. It
for
doesn't- it
KFC
doesn't-
and Chicken Licken
Yeah.
because of you must stay for like few years and not work for KFC and for Lucas. Yeah, something like that. But regarding this one, Monyane comes from Pirates, my man.
My guy,
I know.
You're working for KFC.
Listen
KFC
to me.
fires you. They don't renew your contract. You get a job with Chicken Licken. You're not going to take it because you have a
No,
contract.
nkare go na le line e ba bolela gore you must stay 2 years or stuff
Okay,
like that.
welcome back to the FIFA ad break. The Kuma guys. It is the ad break, but then nonetheless, I didn't mean it in the terms of
Okay.
there's a rivalry between the teams, but then it could be also personal terms of the player. You understand? Okay, I know something is coming. We did not know about
That's the
that.
reason why
As
I
much as we
because
don't
he
know
was
about the
unemployed, that
team that he's playing for. He had plans. Maybe now him and his agents. You understand? So that's where I can substantiate this into it. As it in a flop call. But then continuing forward, it's a loss for us.
It is.
It's a loss for us because of Nai Pirates Yakala. As much as they're saying they're crying for Amalites Agar Lebokhile Mfukeng, they're also crying for the lights of the striker like Utsukufatso Mabasa.
Why did they have to release him, let him go?
No, understand this is coming from the fan base. It's not coming from how business is conducted. The business, the fans are saying, we miss Utsukufatso Mabasa. We'll never have a striker like him. As much as like Liverpool would say, we'll never have a striker like Fernando Torres or Luis Suarez and so forth. As much as Real Madrid would say, oh, we need another Ronaldo. You understand? In doing finale.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what we lost on. That I could say.
Okay, no stress. Guys, let us also know. Please leave your comment. What are your thoughts regarding Chiefs not signing Utsukufatso Mabaso, and also given Mabaso and Fiaz, Faiz Abraham, saying Fiaz, Faiz Abraham. So please let us know. What are your thoughts? Anyways, we have to leave. Sintana nonke, love and peace.